presence in Zanzibar not only gives an opportunity to Zanzibaris to listen to your talk that you have already done, but we want you to visit the different places in Zanzibar, because we believe a person like yourself, who is very famous around the world, would be a good way for us to promote Zanzibar. So I want to inform them that they must make sure that you go around and see different places so that we can promote Zanzibar. And we have started to look into what we call halal tourism. The aim is to bring in people who are coming on for religious reasons. And we have already had a few dignitaries who visited Zanzibar for that aspect. Having you here, I'm sure will only promote us even more. So thank you very much for being here, and thank you for your intention to work with us here in Zanzibar to see to it that we are promoting our religion, but also promoting our country as a whole. So I want to personally ask you that this should not be the last time, but rather it should be the first time for many other times to come. We would like to have you, if at all possible, during Ramadan time. It will be nice. I'm not sure how you spend your Ramadan, but Muslims in this country would very much like to have you here whenever it is possible, not necessarily this coming Ramadan, but any other Ramadan that is possible.
Inshallah, because I've told that the beaches are very beautiful and the scenery is good. So inshallah, if Allah gives us a chance today and tomorrow, we'll have a look at it. And it's good that the President gave his precious time. And of course, we are happy to know that more than 99% of the population are Muslim. And that's good, and we pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that may Allah bless this country, and may Allah make the people of this country prosperous, and may He see that the people, mashallah, implement the Quran and everything, inshallah. Jazakallah shukran.
The Islamic swimming costume.
Yes.
So we hope to see it. I've heard that it's good for scuba diving and even snorkeling.
Yeah, snorkeling, yes.
So we hope to see, and the beaches are, I believe, they're very clean and
Very nice,
blue, greenish water.
Mm-hmm.
So we hope to visit. We have a very short visit, but inshallah, whatever time.